Welcome back to Solo Sail Away. This is Coby coming back at you with another vlog. Today we're throwing down the ultimate cruise party battle. Carnival, Virgin Voyages, and MSC. One is the life of the party, one is adults only luxury, and one might just surprise you. It's budget versus bougie. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk dollars. Carnival, the definition of budgets. You can get weekend cruises for under $300 if you play your cards right, but once you add gratuities, drink packages, excursions, etc., it climbs quick. MSC, super low base prices and insane 2-for-1 deals. But here's the twist. MSC splits their ships into tiers. Bella, Fantastica, Aurea, Yacht Club. Want Bougie? You'll pay for it. Virgin Voyages, no doubt the most expensive upfront, but that price includes all specialty dining, Wi-Fi, gratuities, and fitness classes. So Carnival and MSC win for price, but Virgin might give you more bang for your bougie buck. This is what we're here for, the turn up. Carnival, still the party king, pool deck DJs, theme nights, drink packages, and a crowd that's ready to dance at 2 a.m. Spring break. Carnival owns it. MSC, don't sleep on them, especially on their newer ships like the Seascape and Meraviglia. Euro-style club vibes, LED dome parties, and wild white nights. But it's hit or miss depending on crowd. Virgin Scarlet Night, the Manor, drag bingo, grown folks wildin' without kids. It's elevated, it's immersive, and it's unapologetically sexy. Carnival is wild and loud, Virgin is curated chaos, MSC is the surprise wild card. If you're feeling this party vibe already, hit that like button. It helps more travelers find us. By the way, if you're loving this cruise face-off, check out my Carnival versus Virgin Party King showdown next. It's wild. Now let's talk where you're recovering from the party. Carnival, basic but comfy, great for groups and budget travelers, nothing fancy but it works. MSC, flashy modern interiors, but entry-level cabins can feel tight. Step into Yacht Club though, and it's butler service and private lounges, bougie overload. Virgin, every cabin feels Instagram ready, modern, tech forward, and most come with those iconic red hammocks. Oh, and mood lighting? Check. MSC has the biggest range from budget to full-on luxury. Virgin standard is bougie by default. Because you can't party on an empty stomach. Carnival, Guy's Burgers, Blue Iguana, buffet, solid food, but expect to pay extra for steakhouse or sushi. MSC, hit or miss depending on ship. Main dining is okay, specialty costs extra. Yacht Club dining, top tier. Virgin, no buffet, all food is included. Think Korean BBQ, vegan spots, upscale Mexican, all with no extra charge. They serve food like it's a date night every night. Virgin wins food with style, MSC shines in Yacht Club, Carnival keeps it fun and familiar. Carnival, families, partiers, young crowds, lots of first timers, loud and proud. MSC, lots of international cruisers. You'll hear 4+ languages in an elevator, can feel formal or casual depending on sailing. Virgin, adults only, diverse, inclusive, trendy, and perfect for solo travelers or young couples. Carnival is a floating block party. MSC is European chic with mood swings. Virgin is your bougie best friend's birthday weekend. So who throws the best cruise party? The budget kings or the bougie boss? Carnival is still the budget party beast. If you just want to turn up, eat, drink, and vibe, it's unbeatable at that price. MSC is a chameleon. You can go budget or luxe, calm or chaos, comecons, especially in Yacht Club. Virgin Voyages is the bougie party cruise of your dreams. Adults only, top tier food, no kids, and a nightlife scene that hits hard without being sloppy. Let me know in the comment, are you team budget or team bougie? And if you're still deciding, check out my Carnival versus Virgin Party King showdown next. Hit that subscribe, smash the like button, and join Solo Sail Away for more wild cruise content, tips, and solo travel showdown vids. This is Coby. Until next time, smooth sailing my friends.